Welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video, we shall be continuing with the beginner's guide to CATIA. In previous videos, we have covered a general introduction and the sketcher. In this video, we shall be looking at creating a 3D solid using the part design workbench. We shall be building on the concepts of the previous videos, so make sure you are comfortable with these so we can move on. CATIA is running, so let's get cracking. As we have discussed in the previous videos, the sketch is the main method of creating 2D profiles in CATIA. The part design workbench is used to create solid 3D models from the sketch. To create a solid, we must first create a sketch as shown in the previous videos. If you are still struggling with these concepts, go back and cover the lessons again. There is no prize for finishing first. Having a good grasp of this concept at this stage will help in the future. The first command we will look at is the pad command. This is the basic command that will give you a 3D shape based on the profile that was created in the sketch. The process is simple. Create a sketch, then produce a pad based on the sketch. Once you have created a sketch, exit the sketch and click the pad icon. This will bring up the pad definition menu. In the example, I have created a simple square sketch. When you exit the sketch, it will be highlighted so the selection box will be filled in. If not, just pick the profile. Click OK and the pad is created. There are a few options. When creating a pad, we can go through them now. Type changes the way the pad is sized. There are 5 different types. Dimension is a simple size from the sketch plane. The direction of the solid can be changed by clicking the reverse direction button or by clicking the direction arrow in the center of the solid. Up to next will give you a pad that will be projected between 2 parts of an existing pad. Up to last will continue the pad through multiple pads to the last pad within the part body. Up to plane will project the pad to a selected plane. Up to surface will project the pad to a selected surface. For all types, apart from dimension, the extra geometry is required. The pad can be changed at any time by double-clicking on the pad icon in the tree. This reopens the pad dialog box where we can change the way we created the pad. This is the same for the sketch. Double-click and we can edit it. More controls are available in the pad definition menu using the More button. The menu can be shrunk back using the Less button. The pad will update in real time to show the changes that you are making, or Preview can be used to preview the changes. Selecting the thick radio button will give a wall thickness type result. The thickness is controlled with the thick controls. The mirrored radio button will put the sketch plane in the center of the part, and any length changes are applied, it will change both sides. pad can be produced on both sides of the sketch plane at the same time by clicking on the More button and using the second limit. All the different types are available in both limit boxes and can be selected independently. The normal to profile radio button is selected by default. Deselecting the normal to profile radio button allows the pad to follow a direction other than normal to the sketch plane. A direction must be selected. That is all for the pad commands. In the next video, we shall look at putting the sketcher and the pad commands together in a simple model. So don't miss that one. Thanks for watching.